But we're gonna leave all the description of the spot in the description. Welcome to Isle of Vine. My name's Sunny.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're at Trinell's house.
My humble abode.
And so we went to go check out a spot called
Flamin Hot Chicken. And they deliver only.
Yeah, they're only curbside assistance.
Yep.
So we're gonna check this out for you.
We have a date.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
So what do we have here?
Man, this is a spot called Flamin Hot Chicken. But yeah, we got
Chicken sandwiches.
chicken sandwiches. They deliver. This is pretty dope.
And it comes with elote.
Elote!
And they sprinkled, looks like hot Cheetos.
I think it's on everything, right?
Wow.
The sauce.
I
The
guess.
batter.
Is that what they're known for? Like they sprinkle hot Cheetos and everything?
I don't know. I went all the way for
Yeah, they give you 2 sandwiches, 1 order. I don't know how much 1 order is because you ordered it, right? And probably like, oh, it's $32. No, I have no idea how much it was, but they give you 2 sandwiches and it looks awesome.
It's good. Coleslaw right on the bottom. I didn't know there's coleslaw on them.
That bun gets really soggy though.
Yeah. So they put the coleslaw on the bottom, so it kind of gets the bread a little bit soggy.
Chicken's good though.
But the coleslaw tastes like coleslaw. I like it. We didn't have to leave. That shit came here.
Well, we've been everywhere already, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Very true, but.
But yeah, all they do is deliver. I guess they used to have a spot.
Well,
And I don't know what happened, but they don't have a spot anymore. They just deliver to your house. Maybe too many people were showing up.
where'd you put this in regards to the other spots we had this year? Like, is this better than Birdhouse in Arizona?
Well, it's German style chicken. It's like a chicken sandwich. Well, that one's more of like,
Oh, we didn't get the sandwich because they had
Oh, yeah,
sandwiches.
yeah.
My bad. I guess Rockbird then.
we're going in between Rockbird. I actually like this better than Rockbird. Times.
He said it. He said it. That's what's up.
Rockbird was good, don't get me wrong, man, but this is good. I like this. And they give you elote, dog. Come on. I like corn.
It tastes like elote. Nice, nice. Actually, I like
It tastes like elote that tastes like corn, but not bad.
The corn is cooked just right. Because sometimes you get like that overcooked corn where it's like chewy.
And so the mayonnaise that they put in, you know, sometimes people put mayonnaise, it's like gets watery on the bottom. This one is like straight up, still got the viscosity of mayonnaise.
Yeah. Cotija cheese. I wish they put a little bit more of that. That's always my favorite, is the cotija.
Well, this is awesome with your sandwich. This is legit.
Yep.
Thumbs up for me, man. It's good.
Sorry, Tim.
Yeah, I should definitely check this place out. The only thing I don't like about it is their buns get like really soggy from the coleslaw because they put it right on the bottom. So it's like really soggy, but it's bomb.
Yeah. I think they could benefit from putting the coleslaw where they put the pickles and then let you put the coleslaw on yourself. That way the bun stays
Especially
intact.
if you're delivering it.
So, Nate wants me to put the elote in the sandwich. Yeah, I said it. We have Nate behind the camera today. Can you believe that?
It tastes just like if you were to eat the sandwich and you put the corn in your mouth, right? I don't know if that made a difference or not, dog. Did it taste any different putting it inside the sandwich than just taking a spoonful of that and putting your mouth and chew with the sandwich in your mouth?
That's too much work, though.
You just got too much work, or now you just did filling your sandwich with corn.
Whatever, dog. It tastes pretty good, though. Meet me halfway.
We're gonna leave the information about this spot in the descriptions down below, so you guys can go check them out. See if you like it.
Yeah, let us know if you guys do order from them, you know?
Hit that comment box. I will definitely go again and try. This is good. I guess a thumbs up for me. Did you like it?
Yeah, I did. I thought it was great. And we got medium, by the way.
Yeah, it wasn't. Their spice level is pretty good.
Yeah. They have 5 different ones. It goes medium, flamin', then it's the
Death Row.
Death Row, and then the
Hadouken,
projects.
Projects. I don't remember the name.
Devil's Rejects. There we go. Not projects. Devil's Rejects.
Projects. 2020.
Death Row, huh? Yeah, man. So if you happen to get the Death Row, I'm like, that's.
Yeah, let us know how you take that heat. We did the Howlin' Rays, and I don't think I don't want to go through that again anymore. That experience was not pleasant. But
Yeah, we only got one bathroom here, so.
thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you
Yeah.
did, hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification.
Hit that like button too.
Yeah, get all up in there, you know what I'm saying?
And then share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.